Is it okay for women to put the Tikkun HaBris car magnet on her car for the sake of doing kiruv?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So women are also part of this Tikkun HaBris. There is also wasting seed for a woman, and even sometimes even bigger issue, because the women sometimes with their immodest behavior, immodest clothing, they promote this wasting seed. You understand? So of course, so that's the proper way to rectify the issue and to do the show, 100%. So same as Chava, the first woman, she extinguished the challah, they extinguished the candle, meaning the Adam that now he's supposed to die. I mean, that's why people start dying. Right? The consequences of events, whatever she did. So now, as a reminder, as a tikkun, as a fixing of that sin, women are obligated to light candles. Of course, it's man is alone, he's single, or his wife is away, whatever. He's going to light the candles. But main obligation to light candles is on a woman of the house. Why? Because of the tikkun for whatever was done before. So it's only proper to do that. Okay. Any other questions?